I was at the LKQ yesterday and I found this wing for a Fusion. Came off the same year, same color as my car. Mine doesn't have a wing, so I was gonna give it a shot to drill some holes and mount that on my car. Alright, I got it carefully laid out, measured it 100 times, and it's looking like it's even. So I think I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So it's time to get out the drill and drill some holes. After doing all kinds of measuring back and forth to find the hole locations, I just realized it already has holes drilled through the inner sheet metal. So I drilled the first one and it's pretty much right on the spot where I marked, so I'm going to drill the rest of those. This should be easy. Alright, now I got the 4 easy holes. By easy, it means that they go through these circles and onto this flat. The other holes are going to be inside of this, more like a blind hole. And it had no nut on it. The only ones that had nuts were these 4. 2 this side, 2 the other side. So, find the last hole. I'm going to get some clay. And then it's going to go about in that dot. So I will clay the last hole. I'll find out for sure where this last hole goes. Do the same for each side.
Oh my gosh, what a trade-off. Join us. Music starts at 5 and then great prizes. All right, that's Monday morning. Speaking of prizes, yeah, all week long we're going to have a Day to Remember tickets.
Alright, did another fit of the wing. There's the 3rd hole where it presses into the clay, so that's where my 3rd hole is going to go for each side. I get those drilled, then I'll be ready to screw this thing on. Alright, I got all my holes drilled. Just did a test fit, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to put a little paint in the edges of those holes so they don't rust. Then screw this thing together. I got some red paint. I painted all the holes so that there won't be any rusting should they get wet. I'm ready to put the wing back on and screw it down for good. And that is my finished install.